Almost every evening, I can hear a flock of geese flying over my house, going towards Bird's Pond. And to give you an idea of where my house is and where Bird's Pond is, here is a Google map photo of this area. The entire time that the geese are flying over my house and to Bird's Pond, they are honking. And I'm not sure if you know the reason for the geese honking while they're flying. I knew a little bit of why they flew in the V formation and why they honked when they were flying. I want to share some of that information with you now. When the geese fly in that V formation, the flapping of their wings causes an uplift. So when the geese are flying together, my friends, they are lifting each other up. Did you catch that? The geese are lifting each other up. Another thing that I knew and I read about their honking is that the entire time that they are flying, they're honking. They are encouraging each other to go on. Statistics tell us that by honking to each other, they increase their efficiency, they increase their productivity by 71%. My friends, instead of us fussing at each other, instead of negative words coming out of our mouths, why can't we be like the geese and honk? Don't fuss, don't cuss, don't be negative. Encourage each other. If the geese honking at each other can increase what they're doing by 71%, my friends, how much more could we increase what we're doing by encouraging each other? You know, even the birds of the air have enough sense to do exactly what we're told to do in the Bible. In Hebrews chapter 3, verse 13, we read these words: "But encourage one another daily, as long as it is called today, so that none of you may be hardened by sin." One thing that I did not know was if one goose becomes tired, if a goose becomes sick, or for any reason a goose cannot continue to fly, not only will he go down and land, but two other geese will join him. They will stay with him to protect him, to encourage him, to keep him company. In sickness and in health, the geese work together. Once again, my friends, why can't we do like the geese? If one of us feels sick, if one of us cannot go on for any reason, why can't one or two of us go with that goose, go with your friend, your brother or sister, and not just keep them company, but to protect them? Because, my friends, there's a lot of things in this world that is coming against us, and we need protection. Why can't we do like the goose? And instead of harming each other. Instead of knocking each other down, protect each other. And once that goose is better, they take off to catch up with their flock. And my friends, listen to this. If they can't catch up with their friends and family, they join another flock. No prejudice. They join another flock and they go on. They lift each other up by 71%. My friends, I want to encourage you to be like those geese that fly over my house. Honk. Don't fuss. Don't cuss. Don't knock each other down, but encourage each other. Be nice. Be kind. Be friendly. My friends, be encouraging. Will you do that?